Welcome, dear students. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be studying English grammar from Standard 3. Topic for the day is conjunction. Students, do you know what is conjunction? The words but, and, because, and, or are used to join sentences. These words are called joining words or conjunctions. Children, look at the example. The first example is the sunflower is yellow. And the second sentence is the rose is red. Here we use the word but to join the sentences. So we get the sentence the sunflower is yellow but the rose is red. Can you tell me when do we use but? We use but to show contrast. Now the next example is Mala goes to the park. Second sentence is she plays with her friends. Here in this sentence we use and, which is a joining word to join two sentences. So the sentence is Mala goes to the park and plays with her friends. Now we'll have one more example for you. First sentence is Mohan is going to school. Second sentence is Rani is going to school. Here we use the word and to join sentences. So we get the sentence Mohan and Rani are going to school. Can you tell me, children, when do we use and? Don't worry, I will tell you. We use and to connect words and sentences. Let's see the next example. First sentence is will you play cricket? The second sentence is will you play hide and seek? In this sentence, we use or to join the sentences. So, we get the sentence will you play cricket or hide and seek? Children, can you tell me when do we use or? We use or to introduce an alternative. Now, let's see more examples. First sentence is Soham will not go to school. And the second sentence is he has fever. Here we use the word because to join the sentences. So the sentence is Soham will not go to school because he has fever. Can you tell me when do we use because? Yes, correct. We use because to express a reason for something. Children, now observe the following pictures. One sentence from each pair is written. Write the other sentence. Then join the sentence with the help of suitable joining words. The first sentence is the elephant is a big animal. What is the other sentence? Let's find out. The other sentence is the mouse is a small animal. Now, Can you tell me which joining word we can use? We join the sentences with but. Why? Because the elephant is big and the mouse is small. They are opposite of each other. The sentence is the elephant is a big animal, but the mouse is a small animal. Now look at this example. The first sentence is, do you want a rose? The other sentence is, do you want a lotus? Here we use or to join the sentences. So we get the sentence, do you want a rose or a lotus? Here you are getting the choice of a rose or a lotus. Let's see the next example. The sentence is, Rohit will not go to play. What is the other sentence? The other sentence is, he is sick. Here we will use the word because to join the sentences. Rohit will not go to school. Why? Because he is sick. So the sentence is, Rohit will not go to school because he is sick. Now let's see the exercise. Underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. The first sentence is, Nisha and Asha go to the toy shop. In this sentence, and is a conjunction, so the word and is underlined. The second sentence is, hair is black in color but milk is white. In this sentence, but is a conjunction, so the word but is underlined. Let's see the more examples. Ram goes to the shop and buys a watch. In this sentence, the word and is a joining word, so the answer is and. Next example is, can you sing or play the piano? In this sentence, the word or is a conjunction, so the word or is underlined. The next example is, the teacher punishes Uma because she has not learned the poem. In this sentence, because is a joining word, so the word because is underlined. Now, here is a homework to solve. Students, now use the following conjunctions to complete the sentences: and, but, or, because. The first sentence is, I can't speak German dash. It is a very difficult language. The answer is, I can't speak German because it is a very difficult language. The second sentence is, he can play tennis dash golf very well. Answer, he can play tennis and golf very well. The third sentence is, do you want tea dash coffee with your breakfast? The answer is, do you want tea or coffee with your breakfast? The fourth sentence is, he studied hard dash he didn't pass his examination. The answer is, he studied hard but he didn't pass his examination. The fifth sentence is, I would like to go dash. I have to study for my test tonight. The answer is, I would like to go but I have to study for my test tonight. The sixth sentence is, he didn't arrive in time dash. He got up late. The answer is, he didn't arrive in time because he got up late. The next sentence is, she drinks tea dash eats toast for breakfast. The answer is, she drinks tea and eats toast for breakfast. The next sentence is, you can pay your bills by cash dash credit cards. The answer is, you can pay your bills by cash or credit cards. Thank you, my dear children.